Welcome back to our online teaching. Hope you all are enjoying at home, doing your homework, reading and writing. Very good. Continue to do it, okay? Today I am going to teach subject mathematics and the continuity of our last unit, addition. Okay, let us first review. Okay, add the following numbers. Add the following numbers. Children, they have given you three numbers. This is 283 plus 134 plus 434. Okay, what we have to do is first write them in the place value chart. First write the, how many digits are there? 3 here, 3 here, 3. So all have equal digits. So we will write like this: ones, tens and hundreds. So now let us write the digits in their places. 283 plus 134 plus 434. Children, write neatly, leaving gap in between. All the numbers should be in the correct position. This all in ones place, this all in tens place, and this all in hundred place. Now you add together. Okay, now see how many digits are there? 3 digits, 1, 2 and 3. Okay, 3 in the mind and 4 in the finger. 3 in the mind and 4 in the finger. Now you can calculate in your mind also. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, you get 7 here. So 7 in the mind and 4 in your finger. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. How much you are getting? 11. Okay, first write in the rough column. Write this one in ones place and write this one on the tens place. Means you are carrying it. Okay, you are carrying on to the tens place. Now start from here. 1 plus 8 is 9. 1 plus 8 is 9. So 9 in the mind and 3 in the finger. After 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 in the mind and 3 in the finger. So 12 plus 3 you get 15. So write here 15. So write 5 in the tens place and carry 1 to the hundreds place. Now 1 plus 2 is 3. So 3 plus 1 is 4. So 4 plus 4 is, yes, 8. So 4 plus 4 is 8. So the total sum, that is the answer is 851. Did you all understand? Let's see one more step. Okay, here one more sum. 506. 506 plus 8 plus 133. Children, here we have 3 digits. Here we have 3 digits. But here you have only 1 digit. You should carefully observe it, okay? When you're writing the place value chart, you carefully see and write. First write the place values. Ones, tens, hundreds. So you write here also. So you will not be confused. 100. So here only 1 digit is there. So what is the place value of 8? Yes, 8 ones only. Yes. Again here ones, tens, hundreds. Now write like this. 506. 506. We read as 506 plus 8. Where will you write 8? You should write 8 in ones place here. So this is the ones place. So you will write 8 here. Okay, children, you will write 8 here. Then again plus 133. So here no digits. Okay, there are no digits means you can add zeros. So you will not be confused. You will not be confused. Now add all together. 6 in the mind, 8 in the finger. 6 in the mind and 8 in the finger you can take like this 4, 4. After 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11, 12, 13, 14. So 14 in the mind and 3 in the finger. After 14, 15, 16, 17. How much you getting? 17. So write 7 in ones place and carry 1 to the tens place. 1 plus 0 is 1. Again 1 plus 0 is 1. Again 1 plus 3 is right. It is 4. Now 5 plus 0 is 5. So 5 plus 1 is 6. Is it clear, children? Okay, children. Now we are going to learn estimating the sum of numbers. Estimating the sum of numbers. Okay, what is estimation? What is estimation? A rough calculation of the numbers is known as estimation. A rough calculation of the numbers is known as estimation. I'll give you an example. Hope you will understand it clearly, okay? Think tomorrow is your birthday, child, okay? Tomorrow is your birthday. So your mom asks, oh my son, tomorrow is your birthday. So how many chocolates do you need to take to your class? So you say, Mom, in my class, I think there are 36 students. How many students? 36. Okay, let's write down. Okay, this is just an estimation. I'll just tell you with an example. Okay, estimated, just will write like this, estimated sum. So he says number of students, okay, number of children, okay, number of children, how many? He says 36. So mom asks, then how many teachers are there? So he says, Mom, I think there will be 8 teachers. Okay, so that also is noted. Number of teachers is 8. Okay, this is the number. Okay, this is the number which the boy tells to her mother. Okay, now the mother, what she will do? She will think, oh, there are how many children? 36. So mother will say, okay, my son, there are 36 students. I will round off this. I will round off this. So she will do, instead of 36, she will round off and she will make it as 40. She will make it as 40. A number of teachers. Oh, there are 8 teachers. Okay, I will round off this 8 to 10. Means here she is giving 4 chocolates extra. And here there are only 8 teachers. So instead of giving correct 8 chocolates, she will give 2 chocolates extra. This is called estimation. This is called estimation. Did you understand, children? Okay, children. Now we are going to see round off. Means rounding off the numbers to the nearest ones or tens place. Okay, first we'll see rounding off to the nearest ones. Okay, I'll teach you with an example. First let's take, for example, let's take digit number 4. Okay, I will teach you with a number line. Okay, draw a number line like this. Just to make you understand, children. Okay, this is a number line. 1 second. Keep it in the center. Okay. I think this is a number line. Okay, a small scale with 10 marks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. I think this is a number line and 5 is in the center part. So 5 is the center. They are asking to round off. Okay children, now I am going to teach you how to round off the numbers. How to round off the numbers. First I will teach you with single digits. Okay, how to round off the single digits to their ones. For example, let us take 7. Okay, or let us take 4. For example, let us take a digit 4. Okay, here 5 is the center part. 5 is the center part. Okay, is the center part. I'll just mark like this. Now think this is your home and this is your school. So one day think as if this is just an imagination. Think you're going to school, okay? So you'll cross steps like 4 steps from 1 to 2. You're gone, 3. You're gone till here till 4. Okay, suddenly it starts raining. Okay, suddenly it starts raining. Our safety is very important, right? Because when we get wet in water, we get fever. So you will think, okay, now it's raining, what shall I do? Shall I go to my home or shall I go to my school? So you will just turn and see which is near. Okay, you will see your home is near or your school is near. From here, which is near? Your home is near, right children? So what you will do? You will run back to your home. So 4 is lesser than 5. Here 5 is the center part. So you will write 4 is lesser than 5. Less means you have to come to 0 point. Greater means you have to go to 10. So 4 is lesser than 5 means you come back to your home. So you're coming down, you're rounding down. So you're rounding down to how much? 0. Okay. Next, take example as 7. Okay, 7. So the same way you're going from your home to school. So you crossed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you crossed 6. Then you came to 7. Now it starts what? Raining. Suddenly it starts raining. So you'll think, oh, should I go back to my home or should I go to school? So which is near here? So the school is near. So you will run to your school. You will run to your schools. Now you are rounding up. You are rounding up means you are going to a school. So 7 will become to 10. You will round 7 to 10 because 7 is what? Greater than what? 7 is lesser than or greater than? 7 is greater than 5. 7 is greater than 5. So you will run to school because you cross so long distance and you come here. So you will run back to your school. So this will become 7 will become 10. So rounding off 7 to nearest is 10. Here 4 is lesser than 5. So you are rounding off to 0. Now let us see a few more examples with 2 digits. Okay, with double digits. Now for example, let us take the same number as 14 and let us take as 17. Okay children, the same thing. Think. Let us also make it as 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and this will become 20. 20 and this will become 10 and this will become 10. Okay, now 14. So your home is here, your school is there. So from 10 you are starting from 10. Okay, 10, 11, 12. From here you are starting. So you're going here, then here, you come to 13, you come to 14. It starts raining. It starts to rain. What you'll do? You'll come back to your home. Means you're coming down here, rounding down. You have to round down. So 14 is lesser than 15. 14 is lesser than 15. So what you'll do? You have to round 14. Okay. So this one's place you have to put 0. In one's place, you have to cancel 4 and you have to put 0. This is called rounding off. Now take the same example as 17. Okay, now we have crossed till 14, 15, 16 and 17. Now it starts raining. So what you will do? You will run to school. So you are rounding up. You are rounding up. So how much 17 will become? So in one's place, when you are rounding up, in one's place, you will put 0 and in tens place, you will add 1. You will add 1. So 1 plus 1 will become 20. Understood, children? See here, because 17 is what? 17 is greater than 15. 17 is greater than 15. So you're going up. So when you round down, the 17, when you round down, it becomes 20. That is, you'll put 0 in one's place and 1 you'll put 1 in tens place. So add 1 plus 1 will become 2. So this will become 20. Did you understand? Okay, children. Now we are going to see round off the numbers to their nearest tens and estimate their sums. I'll repeat. Round off the numbers to their nearest tens and estimate their sums. What we have to do? First we have to round off these numbers to their nearest tens and estimate their sums. Then find out their actual sum. They are asking you to find out the actual sum also. First let us estimate. Estimate means rounding off. Estimate means rounding off. Let us see the numbers here. Okay, how many digits are there? 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. First let us write the place values as usual. Okay, ones, tens, hundreds, ones, tens, hundreds. Children, now they are asking you to round off to the nearest tens. Okay, now ones place what you have? 5. Okay, in tens place what you have? 2. As I told you, 5 is what? If 5 is in one's place, 5 you have to see in one's place it's 5. In tens place it's 2. So 25. Now take 25. Just imagine the story what I told. If it's less than 5 means you have to come down. Okay. If it's 5 or above than 5 you have to round up. Means you have to go up. So 25 it's in the middle. So what you will do? You have to come down. Okay. So where you will come? Where you will come? Okay. Now what you have to do is see the ones place. So you have to round down. So here in ones place you put what? 0 and in tens place you add 1. Understood, children? In ones place you put 0 because they are asking you to see, they are asking you to find the nearest tens. So you have to do changes in the tens place. So in ones place it's 5 is equal to 5 or less than 5. So you are putting 5 here, cancelling 5 and putting 0. And in tens place you are putting 1 and you have to add these 2 digits. You have to add these 2 digits. So see here 5 will become 0. So 1 plus 2 how much? You will get 3. 1 plus 2 is how much? 3. So this will become 30. This will become 30. This is called rounding off to the nearest tens. Rounding off to the nearest tens. So 625. That is 625. Now when you round off, it will become 630. 630. You just keep like that only. Now come to the next number. 313. 313. Take the number in ones place. What is there? 3. 3 is less than 5 or more than 5? It's less than 5. So in ones place you put 0. In ones place you put 0. Children, be careful. If it's more than 5 only, you have to change in tens place also. Now don't touch tens place. Only in ones place you put 0. So this will become 310. 310. So this is the estimated. So add here 630 plus 310. This is the estimated, means you are rounding off sorry, you are rounding off and then you are doing the sum. Now add this both. 0 plus 0 is 0. 3 plus 1 is 4. 6 plus 3 is how much? 6 in the mind and 3 in your finger. 6, 7, 8 and 9. So how much you are getting? 940. So this is the estimated sum. Means children, again I am repeating. Estimating means you are rounding off and then you are doing the sum. Now they are asking actual sum. Actual means the original numbers what they have given already, they have given. Don't do any changes. Write it as if it is there. See, 625. This is the actual. Then 313. Add this 2. Okay. So 5 plus 3. 5 in your mind and 6 in your finger. After 5, 6, 7, 8. So write here 8. Then 2 plus 1, 3. Again 6 plus 3, 9. So how much you are writing? So what is the answer you are getting? 938. This is your actual. This is your actual. Actual means, did you understand? The numbers which they have given. Estimated means you are rounding off and then you are doing. See, can you see the difference here? 938. This is the actual and this is the estimated. So just think of this. 38, when you round off 38, it becomes 40. Okay, did you understand, children? I think you understood. Okay, children. Now let us see one more example. Okay, see here. 712 plus 187. 712 plus 187. What you have to do? First you have to find out the estimated sum. Then you have to find out the actual sum. Again I am reading the question. Round off the numbers to their nearest tens. Okay, nearest tens and estimate their sums. Then find out the actual sum. Estimated sum and actual sum. Okay, now right here we have to first what we have to do? Round off the numbers. Round off the numbers. 712. Okay, first take this one, this digit first. Ones place. This is ones place. In ones place what you have? 2. Children, just remember that number line. As I told you, number line. If it's below 5 or to the 5, means 5 and above should go up. That is rounding up. If it's 1, 2, 3, 4 means you are coming down. 5 is the center point. The center point also will go up. So you have to round up and round down. Okay, that you remember properly. Now here they have given you only 2. 2 means you are near to your home. So you will run to your home. That is rounding down. So instead of 2, what you will do? You have to put 0. Don't touch tens place. Okay, don't touch tens place. Children, did you understand? You are just putting here 0 because 2 is less than 5. 2 is less than 5. Now come to the next numbers. 187. Now take this 7. 7 is what? Greater than 5. Think of the number line in your mind. You crossed 5, you crossed 6, or you crossed 7. When you come to the 7, it starts to rain. Okay, it starts to rain. Will you run to your school or will you run to your home? You'll run to your school. That is called rounding up. So rounding up. So here what happened? 7 will become 0, and in tens place what you have to do? You have to put 1. Understood, children? In ones place you'll cancel and put 0, but in tens place you have to add 1. That is rounding up. Now it will become 190. 190. This is 190. 1 plus 8 is 9. So 1 as it is, you write on this will become 190. This is the estimated sum. Now write in the rough column. 710 plus 190. 190. Add this both. 0 plus 0 is 0. 1 plus 9 is how much? Yes, it's 10. So write 0 here and 1 in 100 place. So 1 plus 7 is how much? 1 plus 7 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. So this becomes 900. Understood, children? So you write here 900. This is your estimated sum. Now come to the actual sum. In actual sum, don't do any changes. Write it as it is given. That is 712 plus 187. Now 2 plus 7 is how much? It's 9. 1 plus 8 is how much? It's 9. Now 7 plus 1 is how much? 8. So this is the actual. So you are writing actual. Children, did you understand? So when you round off 899, it will become 900. Children, this is your assignment. First one is round off the given numbers to the nearest tens. Okay, do only the sums which I have ticked. I have given you 3 sums. Do these 3 sums. The next one is round off the numbers to the nearest tens and estimate the sums. Then find out their actual sum also. This you do both the sum and submit in the Google Classroom by this Thursday. Thank you.